What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. We back at it, man, with another slight, crazy video, man. So, just now got outside, you heard me? I just want to talk to y'all, man, about the car, the update that's coming to the car, right? So, if y'all don't know, man, I've been talking about selling this car, man. You know, giving y'all little bits and pieces, man, every now and then, you heard me? But, yeah, the day is almost here, man. We're going to be selling the car, you heard me? So, yeah, like I said, I just want to talk to y'all, man. So, recently I had posted the car, y'all, on Car Gurus, I think yesterday. Today is Saturday the 11th, you heard me? So yeah, I posted the car yesterday, man, on Car Gurus, which was June 10th, right? I wake up June 11th, today Saturday, and like this dude talking about, yeah, man, you know, definitely interested in the car. Come to find out, like he's a wholesaler in Texas. I think it's called Texas Auto Value or something like that, y'all. Texas Auto Value, I think. So he talk about, yeah, man, you know how much you want for your car? What's the bottom dollar? Whoop, whoop, whoop. I give him my number, so I don't know if I should tell y'all my number or if I shouldn't. Just know, y'all, look, we profiting. Promise y'all, look, we definitely making a profit on this car, man. I'm not gonna let this car go if we can't make a profit, right? The sun going crazy right now. But yeah, y'all, so ended up making a profit on the car, man. He said, look, if you have the wrap off by Tuesday, whenever we meet up at Chase Bank, then you know, he'll give me a little bit more. But if the wrap is still on and he got to take it off, then he'll give me like $1,000 or so less. So I was like, shit, I mean, I can take off the wrap. All you got to do is peel it up, you know what I'm saying? Peel it off. But yeah, man, I just want to talk to y'all about it, man. So yeah, we gonna be selling the car Tuesday. I think Tuesday is gonna be like the 14th or something like that. So yeah, that video is to come, man. But yeah, I just want to give y'all, man, a look at the car, bro. So being that, like, yeah, we gonna be selling it and everything, but I'm gonna keep the front splitter on, man. I'm gonna just give them the car with this front grille on. We'll be taking off this right here though, the side skirts, be taking that off. Yeah, like I said, the whole wrap coming off, man. What else? This tail light tint, that's gonna come off too, man. I don't really believe in, you know, keeping the like giving the next owner or giving the dealership, or if you selling your car, I don't believe in just keeping all your hard work on the car, man. You know, the C-Will 23 vlog stuff is coming off, CEEFAM. You know, the Saint stuff, man. So any little touch, bro, that I did to the car is most definitely coming off. If I could buy a whole nother, whatchamacallit, whole nother wing and take this off and sell it, my wicker bill, hey, sell that too. Take off this diffuser right here, sell that. So I don't know, man. I mean, I don't have my stock diffuser, so I might just have to keep that on. Take this tail light tint off, take the badges off, whatever. They can put some more badges on it, I guess. But yeah, side skirts coming off. My 5-inch carbon tips that I have, the 5-inch boys, I'm taking them off. That's easy, you know. So yeah, man, come Tuesday, y'all, I mean, y'all gonna see the car. It's gonna be bare, man. It's gonna look white again. All I really gotta do, man, is like take this green stuff off, man, because the car is wrapped in green. Basically, like the base of the car is green, you hear me? So I'm not worried about all these other colors and all that. Once you take the green off, the rest should just come off. So that's one piece. So yeah, it's gonna be a challenge to like take this thing off, don't get me wrong, y'all, but it's definitely doable, man. I can do it, you know. I'll probably dedicate Sunday, the whole day Sunday, man, to take this thing off, which is literally tomorrow, man. So yeah, let me just, like I said, y'all, I mean, I definitely kept this thing clean though, y'all. I mean, it's been over a year and a half. Well, I don't know, I say going on like a year and a half too, CEEFAM. Year and a half, man. You know, I got this car, well, I wouldn't even say a year and a half. I got this car, what, March 2021. Shit, it's June 2022. So yeah, man, fairly clean. Oh wow, come on, man. Thought I was a real car guy. Put the unlock button. As y'all can see, man, shit, leather still holding up. You know, I don't live in my car, I don't keep my car looking crazy, man. Still got that tag on there too, extra horsepower, man. Add about 5 horses to that thing. Yeah, man, let me pop the trunk. So I try to keep my trunk looking straight too, but man, I got some stuff in the trunk though. So, you know, got my little jack back here, got my little lug wrench, whatever. got a bucket with car supplies, got my 2 jack stands. So, you know, I got car stuff in the back of the car, man, you know, just in case I get a flat tire or something crazy like that happen, man. But yeah, y'all, so like I said, man, like he's supposed to meet me. Well, you know, I'm gonna like rewind. So this dude, man, like he actually he's a wholesaler, right, in Texas. So I don't know, at first, like I said, y'all, it was really sketchy, man. Like I had told him, I'm like, bro, nobody just called me up and be like, hey, look, man, look, I'll offer you this much for the car, XYZ. And like the crazy part about it, y'all, he actually sent me a $500 deposit, man. You know what I'm saying? Just to hold the car, just to show me that he was serious about it, you know. So I went online, I typed in Texas auto value, and then, you know, a whole bunch of stuff popped up, and you know what I'm saying? So, and his guys is based like an hour, well, I say like an hour and a half away from me. So he gonna meet me Tuesday just to, like, I don't know, get the car, man, look at the car, see the condition and XYZ. So yeah, I'm not gonna tell y'all the number we agreed on. I just wanted to tell y'all, man, hey, the car is getting sold, man. Any kind of price that's right. Hey, if it make money, it makes sense to you, boy, C Will, man. Yeah, he not getting the damn plates, but I'm gonna definitely try to like take them plates. Hopefully they come with like a temp tag or something like that, man. But it's good, C Will. I might just get this transferred over to the Jeep or something, I don't know. Cause yeah, I might just start daily driving my Jeep, or I don't know, I gotta sell at least another car too, cause I can't bring both cars to like California. So, and yeah, CEEFAM, I mean, I was really trying to like tell people too, yo, I could be doing so much more, man, with like an extra $1,300. Yo, I'm telling y'all. So the payment on this car, y'all, for those y'all that don't know, pay like $1,360 a month. $1,360. Yo, I could be doing so much more things with an extra $1,300 a month. You hear me? An extra $1,300 a month. Now that's just car payment. That's not insurance. That's not gas sitting at 5 something a gallon, at least over here. I know whenever I make it to Cali, it's gonna be crazy. So no, y'all, we're not getting rid of the car, y'all, because we can't afford it. Like I said, y'all, even me leaving Hawaii, y'all, man, like I probably took a pay cut, man, like 2 bands, 3 bands, something like that, and we still made it work. We still hustling. I'm a young entrepreneur, y'all, so like I said, if it make money, it definitely makes sense. So this car right here, man, it's definitely like a, how can I explain it? It's a seller's market right now, man. You know, just like in real estate, just like with these cars, man, I look at this car as a big ass stock. This car is a huge stock right now. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So hey, if I can make money on it, I can capitalize off my liability, right? Then hey, you know, so yeah, I really think this car, man, was definitely like a long-term investment for me. You know, basically held my stock for a year and a half, whatever. Now I'm finna sell it and make money off it, or at least try to get the money back that I had on it, y'all. But yeah, like I said, y'all, like, hey, we not selling this car, man, because we can't afford it. You know, you're gonna have trolls on the internet. Oh, C Will broke. Oh, C Will can't afford it. Oh, C Will selling it because C Will selling it because he's a smart businessman. C Will selling it because he's an entrepreneur. C Will is selling it because he's about to make a profit, right, y'all? So I just want y'all to see where I'm coming from. You know what I'm saying? Whether, you know, I get it from a YouTube standpoint. Is it smart? Maybe not. You know, y'all really love the Charger. Y'all really love what I did to it. You know, everything I do is definitely for y'all. CEEFAM, I got it on my shirt, my chest. You know what I'm saying? So everything I do, man, is for y'all. Don't get me wrong, right? But hey, man, like I told my people on Instagram, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would know first that I'm selling this thing on Tuesday, right? Like I told them, I'm like, hey, man, like, me selling this car is definitely like a symbol of growth. It's a symbol of maturity, man. Like, once you start to limit your life based off of something that's so materialistic, like an object, like a car, then you realize how like minimal you see life. You see what I'm saying? Like, now I'm looking at the bigger picture. You know, back then, y'all, I wanted to be fast, the fast guy. I wanted to be, you know, the guy who had the nicest car in a military parking lot, or the guy that, you know, people want to take pictures with at the car meets, and, you know, people take pictures in front of the car, people take pictures of the car. I wanted to be that guy, y'all, but now it's like I'm getting older, man. These cars not going nowhere. Well, they are 2023, but they still gonna be on the market, right? So yeah, man, I'm just looking at the bigger picture in life, and the bigger picture for me, it's like, I don't know, man, like, I've had it, I've experienced it, I've dreamed it, I've drove it, I've lived it, man. I've done everything, man. Like, you know, people from Louisiana, bro, like they never even owned a Hellcat before. A lot of people where I'm from dream about this type of stuff, y'all, and we made it happen, right, y'all? So what's up, my guy? That's my guy right there. But yeah, y'all, like I said, man, like, you know, the people where I'm from, man, they don't get chances like this, man. You know, they just stay in Louisiana. They don't do much. They don't take risks. Y'all, we done jumped off the porch a long time ago. As soon as we came into the Army, look, I jumped straight off the porch, y'all. So yeah, man, this was me, you know, leap of faith, man, big risk, you know. And yeah, this was a risk. This car was a risk, man. I'm definitely proud of myself. I hope y'all proud of me too, CEEFAM. Y'all got to witness the journey, whether y'all just got here and I already had this, whether y'all got here and I had my V6 Challenger, whether y'all got here and I had my Charger RT, y'all can keep going on and on and on and on. But I just want y'all to know, man, anything is possible with hard work, right? If you see an opportunity, man, to make money on the market, take it, bro, because I'm telling y'all, the market is not gonna stay like this forever, right? So yeah, man, I just wanted to, you know, basically vent to y'all, man, let y'all know, look, the car is being sold 14 June, right, next Tuesday, man. Yeah, I seen like this big ass truck, man, that I wanted to go look at least today, but I don't know, by the time y'all see this video, I don't know, the truck video will probably already be out. I'm probably gonna look at that thing today. I'm gonna pull up with this. They should let me test drive it. Like, you know how it is, man. Like, whenever you go to a dealership and you want to test drive, like, I don't know, a Redeye, a Trackhawk, GT500. Shout out my guy Fast Life Russ, man, he gonna be back. Yeah, like, so whenever you go to these dealerships, man, and you try to like test drive these expensive cars and all that, you got to have some kind of equity to your name, right? Whether you're not getting financed or whether you just want to test drive it, if you pull up with something like this, man, they're gonna let you test drive anything on the lot, because they already know, like whenever you pull up to a lot, they prejudge you already based off the car you drive, based off XYZ. So if I pull up in this, I'm test driving anything on the lot, man. So yeah, that's how it is, bro. If you're not showing credit, you're not showing a bag, you ain't showing nothing, hey, you show your whip, hey, the boys gonna let you test drive anything, CEEFAM. That's a lesson, man. That's to avoid all that, you know, whether it's racism, whether it's prejudice, whether it's, you know, people judging you. Show up with something like this, hey, you liable to test drive anything. But yeah, CEEFAM, like I said, man, just wanted y'all to like see where I'm coming from, man, from a business standpoint, entrepreneur standpoint. Like I said, YouTube, yeah, you know, the views on YouTube gonna go down. You know, I'm gonna be making content that's whatever. What car I'm gonna get next, who knows, man. Like I said, all I know, I'm in a different mindset, in a different mind frame. We've owned a ZL1 already. We owned Dodge Charger RT. We've owned what else did we own? Shit, this car, right? So man, I've already lived a fast life. I know what it is to be that guy. I know what it is to have people compliment you on your car. You know, y'all, it just gets old. You know, next thing on my list, I don't know, probably a house once I get to Cali, or, you know, like, just know, y'all, like, this move right here is a calculated move. I'm looking more into the future. I'm not looking into, oh, right now, oh man, you know, next 5 years this car is gonna be worth whoop whoop whoop. Man, I don't know. Like, I definitely think I'm getting a good deal. Like I said, I'm not gonna disclose the numbers and XYZ till the car is sold. I don't want to get y'all hopes up, my hopes up too, right? So yeah, man, this is definitely just a calculated move, CEEFAM. I'm not here to bore y'all, or, you know what I'm saying, nothing like that. Just know, oh my bad burp, just know, y'all, hey, we making calculated decisions, man, in life. We making big boy moves, man. It's not just for the weak. It's not no small moves, man. So yes sir, like I said, these right here coming off, the side skirts coming off, the rear the carbon exhaust tips coming off, shit, the wrap coming off. I might sell this boy right here too. Might take this thing off too, man. Hey, take that off, sell that for like 100. You know, shit, I don't know, man. That's pretty much it. I didn't really put nothing else on the car, man. I got my oil catch can underneath here too, but I'm not gonna take that off, man. They can have it. Good thing I didn't buy no intake or nothing crazy like that. I ought to take that shit off too. All right, but yeah, man, I know that the next owner, they gonna love the car. Like I said, yeah, it's just a blessing, CEEFAM, to be able to own something like this. I'm humbled by it. I'm blessed by it, man. I'm just appreciative, man. Thank y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for everything, man. I couldn't have asked for a better group of, I don't even want to say fans, man, better group of family. You know, we got 8.3 thousand people around the world as just, you know, who really rock with you, you know what I'm saying? So that's actually subscribed and actually locked in and tuned in, man. So just want to tell y'all, look, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart, especially, right? And yeah, man, just wanted to keep y'all informed. Y'all my family, man, so gotta keep y'all right. But yeah, y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Follow me on Instagram, bro, to be up to date on everything. My Snapchat is this right here too, but I post everything on Instagram first, to be honest. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, follow you on Instagram, Snapchat, all that good stuff, you heard me? I mean, if y'all want some of this stuff, whether it's the carbon 5-inch exhaust tips, I mean, if I find another diffuser, like a stock one for the wide body, I'll probably, I don't know, I can probably find one on eBay for dumb cheap, for real, for real. If I find me one, man, then I'm gonna just take this one off and sell out one, because I got this one for like $250. But yeah, like I said, it's enough rambling, man. Wanted to keep y'all informed. I love y'all, man, for real, y'all. Just know this move is not the end for C-Will, man. Every year I'm in a different car. Oop, C-Will, how you get out of cars? Come on, man, you gotta talk to me, man. You know, I got knowledge. But yeah, man, this finna be the end of this Hellcat Redeye era, man. So holla at y'all, CEEFAM, baby.